Hello everyone, it's Rose and today I've got another swatches for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and then the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So I received a package from Rosalind and I will be swatching and will also be doing nail art using Rosalind Professional Nail Art Gel Polish. Rosalind Professional Nail Art Gel Polish comes with 24 different shades and here they are. So this one is a light pink shade and then here is a baby pink and this one is yellow shade, more of a lighter yellow, and this one is a brighter yellow, and this one is a mint green, and then this one is also green, and this one is like a light blue, and the next one is purple shade, and this one is a red shade, this one is more of a fuchsia pink, and this one is also a pink shade, and this is a red neon shade, and this is orange, and this one is also an orange shade, and this one is a blue shade, and this is another blue shade, and this one is definitely the exactly red, and this one is a neon green, and the next one is blue shade, and then this one is green, and this one is a purple shade, this is a dark blue shade, and this one is a glitter gel polish, and this one is also a glitter gel polish. Rosalind Professional Nail Art Gel Polish comes with 7 ml bottle. The bottles are really cute. And now I will be swatching them for you. So I'm gonna start with the shade A605 and it is a red color, so I'm gonna start applying the first coat and then I will be curing it under UV or LED lamp, and then now I'm gonna apply the second coat. This will be perfect for Christmas nail art. So this is what it looks like after 2 coats. And next will be the W22. And it is the glittery color, which looks like a galaxy color. It's a combination of purple, blue, and pink glitters. So this is what it looks like after the first coat. So now I'm gonna do the second coat. This glitter gel polish is also good for ombre nails. So next is the shade 2451 and it is a light pink color. So this will be perfect for a baby boomer nail art. And this is what it looks like after the first coat. Now I'm gonna apply the second coat. And then I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. So this is what it looks like after 2 coats. And next is shade A606 and it is neon green. So I'm gonna apply the first coat. Wow, it's surprising. It's for the first coat for the neon. It really looks nice already, and it also glows in the dark. And this is what it looks like after 2 coats. And now I will do the shade 2406 and it is color orange and it is perfect for Halloween nail art. And this is what it looks like after the 2 coats. And here are the other swatches. And now I will try to do a nail art using pastel colors. So I picked these 5 colors. So I already applied base coat, and now I will use the shade 2451 as my base color. So I'm going to apply a first thin layer of a light pink shade on my nails. So I really like their brush. As we all know, that is a good brush is a key factor. So Rosalind have an ultra fine fiber with great tenacity that can brush the gel smoothly and evenly on your nails. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to apply a thin layer of second coat. I really love the consistency of this gel polish. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm gonna start with my nail art. Now I'm going to apply the shade 2553, which is the purple color. Rosalind offers Product Experience Officers program this month, and it is called A Way to be Rosalind Product Experience Officers. So Rosalind is launching a new product which is called Dawn Series Gel Polish or Mini Series Gel Polish. 20 participants will be Rosalind Product Experience Officers. And next is the shade 26, which is the yellow color. Or you can also have an extra entry. Just post Rosalind product on your social media. Use the hashtag Rosalind with the keyword Rosalind Product Experience Officers. Each Friday, they will choose one participant who joins the programs to send a gift or unlimited coupons. So I will leave the link below on my description box for more details of this program. Now I'm going to apply the shade 2701, which is a blue color. Rosalind uses toxin-free ingredients, which makes it safe to use. It is healthy and eco-friendly. The color will keep shine up to 30 days, and it is suitable for all occasions. And now I am applying the shade 2454, which is a pink color. Cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to apply the second coat. So far, I'm really happy how the color turns out. I love gel polish that can be done in just 2 coats. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to apply the top coat. And here is the result. So I really love the consistency of the gel polish, and I like it that it doesn't smell at all. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to check the link below on my description box, and thank you for watching.